purpose of this video is to show you how to hook up the doorbell lab. And here we have a chime kit with a diagram on the chime. I've drawn that more poorly to demonstrate it since it wouldn't pick up on camera very well. So here you have a transformer. You have two lines coming off. One goes to the transformer screw on the chime, and the other goes to the back to trans connection on the two push buttons. From there you just have a line going from your rear screw on the chime to the push button for the rear doorbell, and you have a line going from the front screw on the chime to the front push button doorbell. So let me show you how to hook that up. First things first, to ensure that we do not have any power hooked up, so we're not working on it live, even though it is low voltage, but got to be safe in the lab. Now, if you recall, I said the first thing we want to do is go from our transformer, which doesn't matter which screw you pick, but you just have to know. So we're going from our transformer to the trans screw on the chime kit, sorry, just on the chime. And then I'm going for my return path on the transformer. I'm going to connect that to my two white wires on my doorbell buttons. It doesn't matter which color, but I'm going to pick whites to make it easy for me as a return path. Now from here I just have to decide. I've got a front doorbell button and I've got a rear doorbell button. I've got reds on both of those. Now I have a front screw and a rear screw on the chime. The entire point of this wiring diagram is that this will make the front doorbell make the noise ding dong, and the rear doorbell will just go dong. So from here I'm going to go from the red on my front doorbell button to the front screw on my chime, and from the rear red to my rear screw on the chime. Now I can connect power and see what it does. So remember, front should go ding dong, rear should go dong. Or ding in this case. So that's what I want. Front, ding dong, rear, ding. There you have it.